Hello. The time is 5:58, 2nd of May. So I've decided to abandon my Delrin lead screw for the time being because I've managed to put back the lead screw with the original steel lead nut and got a better result, but the whole mill will have to be upgraded at some point, and I'll probably use the Delrin lead nut idea for all the 3 axes. And I found another good site on the web where somebody shows you how to make a much better one than what I've done, so I'll follow that at the right time. So it's not bad, it still works pretty well now. So this is the one that had the problem. That's now not too bad. So I sort of skewed the lead screw a little bit, so you got tension that way, but you can hear that sound. So it's not really true, but it works. It's functional, sort of. And yeah, I'll probably upgrade later on.